What's up guys, we are back and breaking news, we have a brand new Pixel 6 Pro hands-on. And not just this, for the first time we have the Pixel 6 Pro camera in action. We'll be taking a look at some shots including the outdoor look as well as the zoom quality and the portrait mode. And along with that, we have our possible glimpse at the design and the working of the upcoming biggest surprise of the year, which is going to be the Google Pixel Fold. So let's take a look at the actual hands-on footage, and this is a real non-marketing close-up of the device showing off how it actually looks in real life, and well, I think it looks great. The chin is a little bit more noticeable. It's probably just a tad bit bigger than the S21 Ultra, but it's very close overall. The display looks nice. I kind of dig this boxy note-like look. We have curvy sides as well. Nothing extreme, just adding a little bit more premiumness to the table. And lastly, a fairly small punch hole setup for that brand new 12 megapixel selfie camera sensor. This is the first Pixel flagship with the underscreen camera, but that wasn't tested in this brief video. Then we have the screen recording of the actual camera application, and it looks very much like a Pixel camera app, looking nice and clean. You can see the camera goes from 0.7x ultra wide to 4x optical zoom, so not as wide as the iPhone 13 or the Galaxy S21 series. As for the features, you can notice there is an AI scene detection logo, so that's gonna turn on night mode when needed, and also recognize different objects and subjects in the scene. Now inside the settings, we have a couple of options including the frequent faces feature, which remembers the faces of your friends or people you take pictures with often. As for the samples, well, this is a pre-production unit and the person who's taking these photos was not at all photographer. He probably didn't have any intention to take good photos, like these are just random samples, so bear that in mind. Now as far as the pictures, I gotta say they look very realistic. There's definitely no unnecessary boost in saturation or colors. Seem to present the scene how it is in real life, which is in line with what Google has said in their trailer videos. We've got plenty of details and the images are having that classic Google look for the photos with high contrast. Google seems to be utilizing those 50 megapixels nicely. Even with zooming in so far in the normal image shot at 1x, you can see that the detail is looking reasonably sharp. As for the zoom camera, once again, it's looking sharp with plenty of detail. Portrait mode is another area where Google has been spot on, and in this example, you can notice that the blur is looking pretty accurate. Now that's all I can say about this early Pixel 6 Pro camera in action. The samples are looking promising. Again, let me know what you think in the comment section below. We definitely cannot form an opinion right now until we see the phone out officially with the official firmware. So that is the Pixel 6 Pro. Now let's talk about the Pixel Fold. I did a detailed video on it previously talking about the Android 12.1, the foldable pure UI that's gonna be on the Pixel Fold. We looked at some of the features and now we have a patent which shows off possible design features that we will see on Google's first foldable phone. So we have a very similar look as the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Apparently it's gonna have a multi-axis hinge mechanism system combined with some magnets. It will be interesting to see how this will stack up against Samsung's incredible durable system that they have on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Remember, Samsung is only supplying the foldable panel for this Pixel Fold. All the hinge and the bending mechanism, it has to be sorted out by Google themselves. Just like the Fold 3, we have inward folding, but it does look wider than the Z Fold 3, which means that the outer screen has the potential to be on par with the smartphone display, something that we have seen with the latest Huawei Mate folding phone. As much as I like the Z Fold 3, the outer screen is definitely a little too narrow, so if Google has an outer screen that is on par with the smartphone, then I think it's a big win. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Pixel 6 Pro, the new camera samples, and of course, the Pixel Fold? Are you excited? Drop your thoughts in the comments. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.